my last thought to each of you is go out and do. Look for opportunities to be mentored and serve. I know that you will go out and do amazing things that will have a positive impact on the world. Work hard, have fun, love God, and strive to be influential in what you do in terms of good in those that you serve. Thank you.
I was really impressed with a lot of the ideas that I was getting from the mentors. They talked a lot about ways to improve current prototypes, how I can get data, people I should look into talking to if I want my product to get bigger, things I should look into if I want inspiration for my product. They gave me a lot of really wonderful ideas.